Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel.
There's no big man, there's no small man. Everybody's equal. We look like a family. Not where people say, I'm too much. Do we do it there? I'm not quarreling with anybody in this village.
So, as part of the verbal tour of Agolo, tell us what are the nuances of Agolo town, about the Agolo, just be the village man that you are.
We love each other here.
Okay.
I love everybody here. Just like I love humanity. I show compassion to humanity. Humanity is not about discriminating or feeling special. Whatever we have, like I told them yesterday, whatever we have is by His grace. It's not by our power. He is the one who grants us grace. So we must live for that grace. So we don't abuse it. That's why if I have opportunity to serve, I serve the people and not steal their money because it's by His grace. It wasn't by my power. The reason why people are here and are looking at me is by His grace. Yeah. If He takes it away, you won't be here. You know.
So, what would be the very first thing you would do if you're elected president?
If I listen, I'll do.
The very first thing you would do if elected president?
Thank God. And care for the people.
What about otherwise?
Well, it's by His grace.
Would you be willing to work with any other person if you're not elected president?
No, that won't come. But I'm not looking for a job. I'm a very contented person. You know, I just want to serve the people. I want to show compassion. I want to love the people. I want to help the poor people out of poverty. My joy is in helping people, in living with people. You know, that's it. Those who were here when I was governor, any of you were there when I was governor. This is my friend, I can tell you. Eh? When I was governor, he's a journalist, he was my friend. And he remained my friend. He can come to my house because I'm governor because God wanted me to be governor. Just like He wanted other people to live like this. So that's why, like I said, I'm happy living with my mother's house. And my brothers and everybody's happy.
Since you accept everybody, it means when we come to Anambra, we can as well visit.
Comfortably, ask anybody. Anytime you're here, if you want to visit me, visit me. You know, feel free.
So can we still take pictures with you when you're president?
Yes. If you can't do that, then let me tell you, if you can't do that, that's the end of the world. When we discriminate against people, the world ends. You should be able to be free with human beings, and they must be free with you. If you can't take picture with me, how will I know that things are good or bad? It is the people, you don't know everything, it's the people that teach you when you listen to them. What
do you think about this? Even NLC?
You know, we're not campaigning any longer. So we can't talk about anybody's support now. But they're not supporting me. Nobody's supporting me. Those who are supporting me are supporting themselves. I'm supporting myself as well. We want a better Nigeria. So when you take it that you're supporting me, you're thinking it's me, I'm equally feeling the burden of that support. Because it's not for free. People are placing their hope on you.